a journey through the sense of the land and the sea. Lizzano, with its vineyards, historic cellars, and crystal-clear sea, offers an experience that embraces taste, tradition, and well-being. In the village streets, the Videor workshop invites you to discover natural cosmetics, made with authentic ingredients and handcrafted processes, blending the beauty of nature with ancient knowledge. A village where the DOC wine of Cantine Lizzano and natural essences tell the deep connection to the land and its roots.